In my Mediterranean salad, I have tomatoes, red onions, cucumbers, chickpeas, olives, feta, and lettuce. Okay, here we go. Why was that so satisfying? About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Looks like I only have about 2 tablespoons left of balsamic vinegar. Should really do 3. Do about a tablespoon of honey. A little salt. You know what, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on my salad too. A little black pepper. And that's my balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Okay, this is the perfect bite. It has like one of everything. Here we go. So I have slivered almonds, green onions, mandarin oranges, edamame, chicken, purple cabbage, carrots, and lettuce. So the Chinese chicken salad came out really pretty. Let's make a peanut dressing for it. I'm gonna say 3 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and about 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. Give it a really good shake to break up the peanut butter. I'm gonna be honest with you. As much as I love salads, it's really hard to make them look interesting in videos. So recently, I've been having some fun prepping my salads into large glass vases, flipping them upside down, and funneling all the ingredients into a large bowl. And of course, the internet did not disappoint in the comment section. But here's the thing, that video went crazy viral and got a lot of people interested in eating salads. And that's all I wanted. Yes, I understand that a salad in a vase is not practical, and yes, extra steps and extra dishes, but did it get your attention? So if you want a more practical approach to your salads, meal prepping individual portions in mason jars has been around since, I think, Pinterest.